I can't believe they have 63 pairs of these retro Jordans right behind me. That's insane. So we just wrapped up at the Adidas outlet. If you guys haven't seen part 1 of this vlog, check it out. They had a bunch of pretty good stuff at the Adidas outlet. But next up, we're actually going to be going to the Nike outlet here at the Riverbank Mall in the Philippines. So with that said, let's start part 2 of this vlog at the Nike outlet. And again, guys, part 3 and part 4 will be at the fake marketplaces. So we're going to do some fake bargaining. It's going to be fun. But yeah, Nike outlet, let's go.
Like I remember you. Names in the pavement, thinking about how we never changed.
So they have some pretty good stuff here today, so we're gonna go from aisle to aisle. I'll give you guys a very in-depth look at what they have at the outlets. Hopefully find you guys some steals and deals, as my boy Tim would say. We got the Nike Grand Stand for 3.2K, not too bad, very clean all-white shoe. We have these purple VaporMax Pluses for 7,000 pesos. In more Air Max selection, we got the Air Max Deluxe. These are going for 6.7K. We got the Air Max 97 Ultra for 2017. These are 6,000 pesos. I like this colorway. In the triple black category, we got the Air Max 270 Bowfin. These are 6,000 pesos. I think this is part of like the Nike ACG collection, so it looks like it's an all-terrain sneaker, something you can definitely hike in and beat up and, you know, get dirty without it really showing a lot of age. So really dope all black sneaker. If you're into tech wear, might want to look into these. We of course got the Core Black Nike Element React 55s for 5,000 pesos. A bit much. I think we've seen them for like $75 Canadian at the Nike outlets in Canada. Ooh, these might be one of the best Nike Air Maxes we find here at the outlet today. The Air Max 270 in this like white colorway, and check it out. They have so many. There's so many, size 9, 12, 10, 10 and a half. There's like 5,000 size runs. So if you love the Air Max 270 and are waiting for that sale price, these are 5.7K. I think these could be lower. We're gonna cover the VaporMax selection. There is a retro Jordan selection we'll get to in just a second, but here's some VaporMaxes. We have these ones for 7,000 pesos. I like the green outsole on this, really cool, like this neon green. This colorway I think is really, really good for the VaporMax. And yeah, again, 7,000 pesos, the VaporMax 2019. We have another one here, the VaporMax Flyknit 2 for 7,000 pesos. Sort of has like this gold iridescent chameleon kind of look to it on the back, and the midsole looks really weird. It almost looks like there's like sprinkles and stuff, or sprinkles of sparkles on the midsole. All black Flyknit upper, and the laces are really nice with hits of this bronze, like metallic bronze. And check this out, even the aglets, really nice touch with the VaporMax bronze hit right there too. 7,000 pesos once again. So I think I found my 2 favorite VaporMaxes in the store, so let me show you guys those colorways. These are the Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit 2. It's like an all black and multi-knit upper. I love what they have going on with the shoe. Very cool shoe. And these are probably the most simple colorway, sort of like an Oreo colorway of the VaporMax Flyknit 2. Lots of sizes available as well for 7,000 pesos. Oreo Flyknit upper, and you got the black on the midsole and on the back. Very simple for everyday wear. And last but not least, they have this gray and neon green, sort of like an Air Max 95 inspired colorway. Probably one of the best sneakers here at the outlet today. We're gonna get to the retro Jordan section in a moment, but they have some Air Max 720s here and some Nike basketball I want to get to as well. So check these out. They got 3 colorways of the 720 along with a foam posit, so we'll quickly run by these. These are 6.7K, probably one of the best 720 colorways they did. They have a purple one here too as well. And man, these just straight up remind me of like a UFO, like some high-tech stuff from the future. And then the last colorway, this is the green chameleon one, the ones that Foot Locker actually gave me. So thanks to Foot Locker for those. And last but not least, I'm not a foam posit kind of guy, but these are 8.4K for a very simple foam. I think they should drop these down to like 6K or 5K, honestly, because they got lots and lots of sizes. Let's be honest. If they have that many pairs, they should drop the prices a bit more. Alright, so we're on to the Jordan section right now, and check this out. This entire stack, all of these, all Jordan 5s, and I'll show you the colorway right now. These are all Michigan Jordan 5s. I think that's the proper name. I was gonna call them Laneys for a second because of the blue and yellow, but I think these are the no, these are the Laneys. Tom, what are these? Laneys? Okay, we're gonna call these the Laneys for the vlog. If I'm wrong, please correct my ass in the description down below. All blue sort of nubuck upper, and then you also have hits of this weird gray cement on the midsole, and you got the yellow teeth. Not a fan of this colorway, but they have a billion sizes available. These are going for basically 8,000 pesos down from 10,000. This confuses me. Why on earth do they have these in the Philippines?
Let me tell you, Christian,
Why?
because people like to travel to colder climates with harsher weathers, and when you're traveling to colder climate with harsher weathers, you can no longer wear your flip-flops. What is the Filipino word for flip-flop? I know this, but you need to remind me. Quick.
I don't know. Zapatos is shoes.
Is there a Filipino word for flip-flop?
Chinelas.
Yes!
Chinelas.
That's it. I knew it. And you can't wear those when you're traveling abroad to places with colder climates and harsher weathers. So
there you go. Check out all of these. These are all boots. Nike SF AF1 boots. They have like 7 billion different colorways, and they're on sale for not that much. So these are going for 10,000 pesos originally. Now they're 7.5K. So they have like a chocolate tiger camo right here for 7.5K. They have these ones for 7.5K, the black with the gum. They got these. Actually, these aren't even, what are these doing here? These are like a Vandal, almost like a Nike Vandal, but they have a very thick padding right here. Definitely a winterized sneaker. But check these out, like why do they have all of these different colorways of these boots? No one is wearing these in the Philippines. Like why? Why do they have so many? Check these out. We got the Jordan 7 Ray Allen PE. Tom, how do you feel about these, man?
well, I feel strongly about them. They're a good price. They're like
How much are they?
180 Canadian dollars.
Not bad.
Which is very good. That's cheaper than you're gonna get them at the at home in Canada, unless you're on a friends and family weekend. And even then, that's probably the same price you're gonna pay for them. So this is a great price, and I like the shoe, and I own the shoe, and I paid full retail minus 30%, which was more than it is here.
Now, I'm not really a Jordan 7 guy. I think Tom only bought these because of the Ray Allen association. I don't even think the actual PEs were the shoe. These were like inspired by the PE. Isn't that right? Like, this is not the shoe Ray Allen played in, but he had a colorway very similar, and they based it off that.
It's like the same colorway.
Yeah.
They just had his little Ray Allen jump logo there.
Oh, okay.
That was the only difference.
Okay. These are pretty cool. Was not expecting to find these Jordan 6s, and these look like they're my size 9 actually. Size 9, not my size. And this is one of the shoes I feel like I just would despise time and time again until I see them in person. These really remind me of the Oreo Jordan 6s, and I haven't seen those for a long time, even on people's feet, or for sale for that matter. But these are going for 7,500 pesos, down from 9,500. So 2,000 pesos off, $50 Canadian. It's a pretty nice colorway. Online, I definitely would overlook this, but seeing them in hand, definitely a sneaker I might consider buying if they just drop the price a bit more. Maybe 5K pesos, I'd buy it. Maybe 6K, but 7.5, gonna have to be a pass for me. This is actually crazy though. Like, I can't comprehend how many retros they have on the shelf. I'm not used to seeing this many for just one shoe in one location. There's at least like, I want to count it. I almost want to count it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't believe they have 63 pairs of these retro Jordans right behind me. That's insane. Moving on to some newer sneakers. We got the Nike React Presto in this blue and white colorway. These are going for 4,700 pesos. Not too bad. You usually can find a fair amount of Flyknit racers or trainers at the outlets, but this is the only pair. They got the Mariah racers right now for 5,300 pesos in this sort of beige and orange colorway. And this is the one colorway of the Element React 55s I'm finding at every single store. This blue, like this double blue you can call them. These are going for 5,200 pesos, a bit pricey. Some of the better shoes they have here would have to be the Air Max 97 VaporMax right here, this gold colorway with the VaporMax sole. I really like the gold, but I don't like the VaporMax sole on these. And then these are probably one of the better Air Maxes, probably better for summer as well. But they got these Air Max 97s in this blue colorway. Definitely can get behind these ones. Check these out. They got the LeBron 3s here at the Filipino Nike outlet. These are going for 6,800 pesos, down from 8,500 pesos. This white and blue colorway. Not too crazy about the 3s. I really like the 9s, so I'm hoping they retro some pretty dope 9 colorways. So we're at the hash wall right now, and it's a really small hash wall. It says up to 60% off, last chance to buy. Very limited selection. I think they only have a women's hash wall, but check these out. These are the women's Air Force One Rebel XX in like this Vachetta tan colorway. I don't think it's gonna age, like the color will change over time, but it's this tan colorway, and it just looks so weird. I don't know, I'm a guy, and these are a women's exclusive sneakers, so obviously I'm not the target demographic for this shoe, but I don't even know a girl who would wear these. I don't know. What would you wear this with if you're a girl? Is this like a date night kind of shoe? Who knows? But the laces are on the back. They're not on the front like normal Air Force One. In the women's selection, we got some Air Max 270 Flyknits, 2 different colorways. They have this white and green one, and then they have a green and a white one. So 2 different versions available. These are going for 6,500 pesos each. These are interesting. These are an off-white inspired blazer mid. It's a women's exclusive, and they have a burgundy colorway with a black sole. So we got the Nike tag like misplaced here. We got extra stitching on the swoosh here. Looks like the swoosh is not in the regular placement because it also goes on top of the eyelets right there. Here's a look at the back. Nike's actually spelled backwards. We got a zipper on the side, so this is obviously off-white inspired. And these are actually going for 4,300 pesos. I've seen like white colorways, or actually they have a beige colorway, so something more wearable for daily wear. But I've seen a white version as well, which looks really good, and they don't have them here because they're probably sold out in stores. So yeah, they got these for 4.4K pesos. That will wrap up our time here at the Nike outlet. Make sure you guys subscribe for more vlogs. We're gonna be going to the fake sneaker markets next, so subscribe, notifications on. Follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. We're gonna be doing a lot more vlogs here in the Philippines. You don't want to miss them. And if you guys want to binge watch my other Philippine vlogs, I have like 50 of them. Check them out in the description. You'll love them, especially if you're Filipino. With that said, let's get going to the fake markets. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.